Before we dive into today's topic, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Our anime creators finally listening to fans, please, for more respectful character designs. The wait for the continuation of the Chainsaw Man series has been agonizing since the final episode aired in 2022. But the announcement of Chainsaw Man, the movie Reze arc, brought new excitement. A new key artwork for the movie has been released, showcasing all significant characters from Chainsaw Man. Denji and Reze take center stage in the scene. Reze's appearance in the new key visual is what caught my attention. MAPPA Studios seems to have toned down the sexualization of her character, opting for a more respectful representation. The movie's release date has been set for September 19th, 2025 in Japan, and October 29th, 2025 in the US. After a long wait, fans will finally get to see one of the most anticipated Chainsaw Man projects on the big screen. More information about the film is expected to be revealed at the Anime Expo event in July. The key artwork serves as a teaser to build anticipation. The poster features the Chainsaw Man and Bond Devil
engaging in a fierce battle.
Denji and Reze stand together, joined by their interlocked hands beneath their respective counterparts. Important figures like Makima, Aki, and Power are also featured on the poster, blending intensity and elegance. This design perfectly encapsulates the narrative of Chainsaw Man. The movie Reze arc, in the manga and trailer, Reze typically wears a dynamite apron and minimal clothing underneath local. However, the key visual suggests the movie might deviate from this depiction. The Bomb Girl is shown with more refined clothing beneath her explosive apron, quote, and hopefully the entire film will continue this style of dressing for her character. There has been criticism about anime series and movies objectifying their characters. Hopefully, Chainsaw Man will avoid this path to preserve its remarkable narrative. On a lighter note, who needs a beach body when you can just wear a few sticks of dynamite and call it a day? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, back.